Dark alleyway. That's a good start. A spot you never want to be at.
Wait, how does this guy see?
POV.
He's got a chainsaw for a head.
Did he just get
We
the
got chills
chainsaw?
already.
You know,
Like he's either running from somebody or he just got done piecing somebody up.
Unless he
Breathing
turns to
getting
the
louder,
side.
goddamn!
I have a feeling you shouldn't open that door.
I
Turn
expected
that down.
That's where he lives?
nothing, just bark.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa, we're cutting down trees. Oh shit.
He done sold his kidney!
God,
Kidneys.
desperate to sell your kidney.
He sold
Wait,
his
Body parts are really
Wait a
valuable.
Wait a
I guess now we
second.
know what.
Oh, well, there's his motivation. All right.
Oh my gosh, that thing!
Wait,
God.
what?
I thought that was a
Wait,
stuffed
what?
animal.
Wait,
I saw
hold
that
on.
opening and I thought that was a stuffed animal.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
His dog.
Wait,
Oh my
So it actually works like a chainsaw?
Okay, not a normal world.
Then why didn't you
Oh
always do
my
that for the
God.
fast?
Well,
You over there selling
We're in a
drugs?
sci-fi world of Berserk. Let's fucking go.
Start by
Okay,
fighting a
creepy.
giant
Got an
belly.
opening.
Let's.
So hunting devils, a normal thing.
What?
That's a lot of interest.
Oh,
He's
he
gonna
worked
get
all his
Freaking
money.
fees!
Wow.
You might get like 50,000.
Wow.
That's a lot of hidden costs.
That's wild, bro. You gonna be in forever debt that way.
Wow.
And then out of the 70,000, he got
much it is, but-
1,800 left.
Doesn't sound
Oh,
well.
it's so adorable in his little face.
What? You called him a dog?
Gosh, this
Bitch,
poor
don't
kid.
play me.
Oh, no.
Oh,
God.
So happy.
How much is 100
This guy
yen
steals
worth?
everything.
Hey,
I know it's not a lot.
you
This is dark.
knocked
Yeah,
out another
okay, all right.
freaking
Do you really get money
monster.
for it? He was so excited to do
Okay,
it.
I
too.
already feel bad for him.
You gave me the opportunity to make some money.
Yeah.
Oh,
I get to
okay,
smoke
okay, you
this shit.
swindled him.
Even like
Bro,
his
they are
dad,
sharing
his
a
dad.
single piece of bread.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna
That's
see him lose his
that's
green
a-
card at
that's
the
a
show,
good-
bro.
That's not allowed
Real
to ask
talk.
for.
That's
Giving
when he
away
met the
pieces
dog.
and
Yeah.
Because of his dad. And this is when he met.
Oh, he's in jail, sir.
Oh,
He
sure.
hacking.
Alright, so.
Might have nibbled on him.
So he saves it and then...
Too soon.
Wait, what?
Okay.
So this is say how they bond and gain a
I'm getting a
friendship.
Promised Neverland vibe. Also
So wait, from
devil.
that bite, he ended up becoming a
handle it.
devil.
Wait, see what that flashback scene was.
And basically saved this dude.
Okay,
Okay, at least he can hold back. I was gonna say he could do a
Oh.
lot more damage.
Nice. You
You
help
gotta
me.
help me.
Wow, he's literally making a pact with the
Kind of
devil.
did make
Yeah,
a deal with the devil.
Ideal.
It's
I
not-
love
Paying
it.
each other back.
And yet,
It's like a contract.
Me and my dog.
Oh, that was a devil?
That's dope, though.
Such simple
Like,
things.
man, I don't even want to
but-
dream about money. I want to dream about putting some jam on some bread and sharing it with my boys.
It's a girlfriend.
This dude just wants a gamer girl. That's all he wants.
Oh, hello? Why is he coughing up blood? What is going on?
jeez.
The last one was a tomato.
They just know it's here, and they're like, okay,
I'd be
Is there
afraid of
really
him like
one?
turning on you here.
why do they need him?
Oh
to do
gosh,
it?
I feel
Or
like that's
maybe
gonna happen.
because he'll do anything, they need him to make a deal with them.
I gotta do it,
Oh,
man.
God, they're gonna
Get
feed
rid
him
of
to something.
Yeah,
Like he's
ship.
they've
I'd be
used
like,
him
I'm
enough.
getting out of here.
But y'all
Oh,
about
gosh.
to put him down. Oh, wow. Oh,
Such
you
No
bullshit.
way.
from behind?
Oh,
Yeah.
Jesus
Oh,
Christ! It went all the way through!
That dude came out of nowhere.
A piece of
Chained off?
shit.
Wait,
Whoa,
wait, whoa,
what
whoa,
the
what's going on
fuck?
here?
What the
Oh my
fuck?
days.
What?
Okay, he sold him to the devil to get powers.
Oh my god!
Where's he?
The fuck? So,
Oh yeah, humans
You
are all
control
up front.
zombies?
what the hell?
Devils run this world.
They didn't know that much.
Okay.
They just
okay,
want to
okay,
hug
okay.
you.
Okay.
These are perfect meat for chainsaws.
So is it
Yeah.
really the old man or was he tricked by a devil?
You can make deals with devils, so
Just
I
when I
wonder
thought
if
this
he's gonna
guy's
make a
life
deal with
couldn't
these
get any worse.
The devil. I want to say
How he's
devil.
gonna become Chainsaw Man.
Devil.
Come on, a devil.
This is
Animation
the
is
furthest
damn.
thing away from a movie.
Like Resident Evil.
This is the first episode.
Like, neither of them are gonna
Yeah,
survive on their own, are they?
Get off in front.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god!
Wait, how is he not? I think I'd rather be in the
Chainsaw
alley
Man.
now from the dream.
Come on!
Roll credits.
Animated.
Damn, it threw his body inside a
Oh
my
God, he's in pieces.
They cut him
Is
up.
that his head?
damn.
Wait,
bro.
is his
In a dump.
They cut him from there too.
That thing is
Oh,
a mascot right
I'm drinking
there.
Dingy's blood.
He's gonna
That's-
save him.
Yeah.
He's gonna save
Oh,
him.
that's cool.
Weird and kind of cute at the same time.
悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれねえ。そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。
And his
Movement,
dog.
animation, everything is so clean.
Oh, this
Is it
is
going to?
Oh, is that what's about to happen?
Wait, so that's.
So they made like a pre-contract.
You can't leave him in the trash.
So Denji or Pochita.
Yeah, exactly. I think it might be Pochita.
Little paws.
So it'd be the
Wait,
dog or him?
So it's
Here we go.
So it's not even Denji, then.
Yeah.
It's the girl. Can be the main character.
So what happened here?
Oh my god.
Now,
Stitching
is
him
he
back
taking
together?
over?
The body's getting
Is
reconnected.
They sliced and diced him.
私はデンジの夢の話を
It talks!
He can talk.
I can talk. Okay.
Oh, it's a deal. Oh shit.
代わりにデンジの夢を
Aww, that's so
This sounds
sweet.
like a sweet deal though. Like good deal. Like
Now we can
Oh,
see
sweet.
I don't know if you'll be
Devil
able to talk to him though.
Not even a star.
No, that's.
Does that mean he has his kidney back?
No John Wick on that.
Fuck them. Just kill them all.
Okay.
That smells good. I smell good.
Oh, you can just pull it.
So he has to pull his own.
From the ground.
You'd be like Dead Rise in there.
Oh no!
Bloody
Oh, I love music that just kicked on.
It's such a cool master.
I ain't one of y'all. Fuck all that.
Sana.
Chainsaw, motherfucking chainsaw.
Yeah.
Dude,
Okay, hold on. Fix your
I'm not
back.
fucking sure with the base animation.
Can he be
Take it
healed
all
by
the way
drinking
up.
human blood now too?
You got a little brain now.
That's some good quality
What the
chainsaw.
hell is
Yeah.
It's a little bit late to regret now.
I love that they're just going all out with the decapitation and everything.
Oh my god!
Yeah. This is why you have it.
You go, Denji.
The animation's so good.
Time for a home run.
Dead.
Get your hands back. Dang that.
Oh my gosh, so graphic.
Now you get to miss
I hate chainsaws.
I feel like I want to close my ears, but I have fucking earplugs. It just pushes it in deeper.
Yeah.
But I better kill them all then. Let's
Right, say, don't bite the hand that feeds you.
I like how it's so conscious.
in the show.
We ride for
How many dead
Gucci.
bodies?
My boy gonna be free. Oh, yeah, he definitely gotta go.
So he sold his
Making money for
Crazy
I think we unleashed the psycho.
Become a zombie.
Okay.
Yeah.
先を越されたね
Oh, so they were.
Ah, they're the
It is
real
her.
Devil
Okay,
Hunters, I imagine.
hunt the devil.
Oh, he's still there chilling.
Right,
Oh, he
yeah.
ain't even turned it off yet.
Two. I'm looking
that
at
away.
君変わった匂いがする
There's blood. She is not phased at all.
Hug me. Hug me.
There you go.
You got some woman action. You can feel, boo.
That's an effect.
That's all
I
you ever
started chicken
wanted.
from
Oh, that's how he goes back to normal?
Oh my god, it just melts
Oh, and I
off
just
him.
realized he got completely
That's
healed. I probably
interesting.
didn't even notice it earlier.
どうだ悪魔として私に殺され
No,
る
no,
か
no, no, no. Take that option off the table.
人として私に変われるか
Option
He
number
as a
2.
human, huh?
Keep
He
as a
said that
human.
Like I was gonna be a
I
pet or
take
something.
that.
She said,
You're gonna
Okay.
get your
For being
jam.
dead.
Yeah, exactly.
What up?
寂しはどんなの
Bread with
What's for
jam.
breakfast?
There
There
we
we go.
Just
Bread
with
and
the
jam.
You already got it with jam, I think.
Butter and jam.
Yeah.
You got the girl, you got the food.
It's
Right.
because it's
My
so
God.
sad how it's
What?
lived before.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.